Welcome back, everyone. Let's continue with the home page design.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's implement the interface we're looking at here. We're going to use flow byte. So here we have many options on flow byte, and the component we are making use of is carousel. Yes. But first of all, we need to actually install the package in order to use it properly. So you can read the documentation if you want to know more about them, but yes, I will just copy the npm command and paste it on my terminal for the installation. Let's just get to the server first. So while installing, I will copy all the properties that we need and add it our Tailwind config. Okay, that's that. Then I will copy the plugins also. That's that too. Now let's go back to the carousel component and copy the codes that we need. Just copy from this div area. You can see we have a lot of options there, but I'm going to go with the React Native option here, which is very cool for whatever I want to do. And paste it here. So let's continue and copy. Remember to copy the import also, or write it out yourself, whichever way you like. Then export your page out. Now let's see how it looks. let's comment out this, and we're going to use a preset data. So I like using preset data for all my dummy text because eventually I'm going to connect them with the API. So I like building my application in the CMS way, whereby you don't have to come out the code and edit every time. You can only send it from the database and it will display as you want it. So let's do our preset data. ID 1 and title. We're changing this to coding because you want to code with the beast. I'm not a beast. Somebody did that. Doing this, I just remember we never copied any image or have any. So let's export out the image right here. And of course, at the demo I showed at the beginning of this course was actually a GIF. So I will show you how you can use GIF also. Of course, let's just go ahead with this PNG format. Just the way we save our logo the other time, so we're going to add banner into the same thing directly. But here we're not going to import it directly here because we're actually going to use it as a preset data. So I'll just put the name here. So watch and see the magic. Delete this one.
Yeah.
please feel free to comment below so I can take that as one of the gigs.